Happy birthday to the 4Runner. Toyota's iconic midsize SUV turns 40 years old for the 2023 model year. So to celebrate, Toyota has introduced this special edition. What's up, folks? I'm Dave Underkoffler, editor-in-chief of Autolist.com, and we're going to show you the top 4 things you need to know about this unique 4Runner. Let's go. All right, first thing to know about this 40th anniversary edition, it's mostly an appearance package on top of the SR5 Premium, and it's 4-wheel drive only, right? So some of the things you get with that appearance package are these stripes. You've got it there on the grille, and then running down the side of the vehicle. I like those, really a nice retro look. Another highlight are these 17-inch alloy wheels, colored in bronze. Those are TRD wheels. Those are pretty cool. You get a blackened out roof rack up top, and then a little bit of badging back here. You can see the 40th anniversary badging. But overall, it's still the same great 4Runner that we know and love. All right, and then inside, you get very few upgrades for this 40th anniversary edition, mostly just badging. You get the floor mats down there, you get a badge here on the dashboard. The headrests are embossed with 40th anniversary logos. And then you get this bronze stitching down the side and on the shift knob there. So what do you guys think? Should they have more upgrades for this 40th anniversary edition? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Otherwise, this is just based on the SR5 Premium. So that gets these faux leather seats. They're power for the front passenger and for the driver. They're also heated up front. You get a heated steering wheel. You get this antiquated infotainment system, but I guess it still works. It does have Apple CarPlay, but you have to plug it in. It's not wireless. Heated steering wheel and big old moonroof. But that's about it for the interior. Second thing to know about this 40th anniversary edition is that for better or worse, it's still the same 4Runner underneath. So that means you get the same engine. That's a 4-liter, 270 horsepower V6. It's a great engine. And it also means you get the 5-speed automatic transmission. Now, 5 speeds in 2023 is absolutely horrifically outdated. Most cars today have 8 speeds, they have 10 speeds, so you feel that when you drive this. The engine has plenty of power, but it is hard to get to. When you need it, you have to floor it and wait a few seconds for that transmission to do that shift, whereas a more modern transmission would have more gears to downshift and give you that power more readily. So that's a little frustrating. It's also a little frustrating in just how this car drives. It just doesn't feel that modern. The brakes are kind of squishy, the steering is kind of vague, the body tends to roll a little bit. So that's the bad. The good part is this is still one of the most reliable vehicles on the market. You'll see examples of this generation doing 200,000 miles without breaking a sweat, so that's nice. But just don't think that you're getting anything mechanically different just because this is the 40th anniversary version. Third thing to know is that despite being pretty much an appearance package, this 40th anniversary edition commands a bit of a price bump over the SR5 Premium that it's based on. How much of a bump? We'll figure about $4,500. That means the total sticker price of what you see here is about $48,000, including destination. And that's a bit of an ask considering how this vehicle is really starting to show its age. Finally, the fourth thing to know about this special edition 4Runner is its limited availability. For one, they're just making it in 3 colors. The metallic black you see here, there's also a metallic red, and then a white. And all 3 of those colors do have those retro stripes along the side. But Toyota is also limiting the production of these to just 4,040 units for the year. Now that may sound like a lot, but keep in mind Toyota sells over 100,000 4Runners in any given year. So that's actually less than 4% of total sales. So keep that in mind if you've got your heart set on one of these. All right, folks, there you have it. The top 4 things you want to know about this 2023 Toyota 4Runner 40th Anniversary Edition. One last thing I do want to point out is that Toyota is expected to introduce an all-new generation of this 4Runner in 2023 for the 2024 model year. So if you have your heart set on this body style, you should probably act fast. So for reviews or listings of this 4Runner or anything else you're shopping for, new or used, be sure to check out Autolist.com. And before you go, like and subscribe to this channel so you can get alerts on all of our future updates. We'll see you out there.